Secret to a great steak is great ingredients, and those great ingredients start off with the Nutrafarms Black Angus grass-raised beef. So we got our grill nice and hot. We're going to start off by adding our strip loins. And just remember, we're going to teach you how to quarter turn so you don't manhandle your steaks, you're not moving around, you're not getting rid of all that great juice. Turn our steak and we're going to close it again, and you notice that's our quarter turn. Now we're going to let it cook in real time for about 2 minutes. We're going to turn our steaks now, and you're going to get all these beautiful, these are grill marks. This is what you're looking for when you're cooking steak. This is what I'm looking for as a chef. Those are perfect grill marks that you have on your steaks. Let that rest for 2 minutes. We're going to come back and we're going to cut into it. It's absolutely going to be amazing. I might even share it with some people. We're going to cut into our steak, and look at that. See, and the juice didn't come right out. You have a perfect medium rare steak. Join me next time at my home where we're creating some amazing Nutrafarm recipes.